Hi everyone, welcome back to another Passion Planner video. My name is Ben and I'm a member of the Passion Planner team. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a few different ways that you can use your Passion Planner daily. If you didn't know, we offer a Passion Planner with a daily format. It still has a lot of great features that our normal Passion Planner weekly have, but it also contains a few new features and spaces to utilize throughout your day-to-day. Before we get started, one thing that I always encourage people to ask themselves when looking for a new planner is, what are my needs? How is this planner going to help me fulfill my needs? So once you've been able to answer that question, hopefully you'll be able to pick out the right planner and start filling it out in a way that will help you fulfill your needs. So now that I've got you thinking about your planner, I'll share some ideas on how to set up your Passion Planner daily and what to use it for. So tip number one is to use your Passion Planner daily as a journal. So your journal might be set up to record your favorite memories for the day, or to reflect on the day, or write down your gratitudes. The Passion Planner daily has tons of space where you can take note of all of these things. So in 2020, a lot of people ended up changing the way they use their planner, going from being productive and trying to be efficient with trying to accomplish tasks and goals, to then switching to a different pace of, journaling and dissecting what was going on and being able to write down thoughts and ideas and, just being able to record things with everything going on in the world in 2020. And so being able to journal and to write down your thoughts and ideas in the Passion Planner daily, it offers a great therapeutic practice for you to be able to use every single day. And so the Passion Planner daily is a great space to journal and switch up planning if you need to. And so I highly recommend trying this out if you haven't done so before. So moving on to tip number two, which is to use the Passion Planner daily as a tracker. So another way that you can use your Passion Planner daily is to track different areas of your life. This could be finances, this could be different habits or routines that you're trying to grow in. This could also be tracking your nutrition or maybe even your physical activity. Whatever it is, the Passion Planner daily can be a great tool to track whatever it is you're trying to grow within your life. So personally for me, financial independence has always been important to me. So I've always tried to track my finances inside my Passion Planner, and it's something that always encourages me and keeps me looking towards the positive when trying to achieve my financial goals. And so this is just a simple way that you can incorporate tracking something that's important to you inside of your Passion Planner daily. So the third and final tip is to use your Passion Planner daily as a project-based planner. So what I mean by using the daily as a project-based planner, essentially what I'm saying is use the Passion Planner daily specifically for something that you're trying to accomplish, or for a big goal or a big task, or help you accomplish something that's going to take you a lot of hours and a lot of days and is going to require a lot of your time and attention. For example, this could be trying to save up and buy a new car, or buy a house, or finding a new job, or moving out of the house, maybe moving to a new city. Whatever it is, you can use it daily to help you focus on a big goal by breaking that down and focusing on smaller tasks that you can accomplish day by day and eventually reach the bigger goal. So in your Passion Planner daily, it's going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to accomplish your big goals. You'll start off with your passion roadmap, figuring out your month's game changer goal, and as you go throughout your daily schedule, you'll have a today's focus and your game changer goal. And this is where you can really make ground on moving closer and closer to that big goal that you're wanting to accomplish. Overall, the Passion Planner daily is a great tool to help you find balance within a lot of areas that you might be juggling within your life. I know that I only mentioned a few ideas, but there's so many possibilities on how to customize and set up your Passion Planner daily. So I encourage you to try out different things, different methods, and hopefully you'll find a system that works for you and ultimately fulfills the needs that you're looking for. So those are all the tips that I have for you today. If you want to check out Passion Planner daily content, go and check out our Instagram, Passion Planner daily. And I'll also note that you can also utilize our PDFs that you can incorporate into your Passion Planner daily as well. The links will be below. Hopefully you were able to take something away from today's video. And just remember, take care of yourself, take care of others, and I'll see you all in the next video.